Alright, what up guys? We are playing Dragonfire for the Commodore 64. I don't really remember this game very well. I remember we run across a bridge, we run around and grab some treasures. That might be it, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to play it kind of cold, and then just notice I think there's a Colecovision version, so I know one of my YouTube fans is going to want me to play that version, I'm sure. So we'll play Commodore today. One player, level 1. So I can duck, and jump, but I'm not very fast, I guess. Oh my gosh. Okay, these controls are a bit harder than I remembered. What? That one I thought I jumped, but okay. Like, what? So you can hide in the doorway. It's probably your best bet. And then you run around, grab the treasures. Oh jeez. And then you're on to the next level. There's really not much to this game, is there? So if there's a double fire, don't go. So I'm gonna run out, duck, jump. Oh no, there's a goblin in here. Think you can kill the goblin after you have the sword or something? Maybe? Nope. Or maybe that wasn't a sword. I don't know. Okay. Now I remember this game. I'm gonna see if I can do better. Wow, that maiden is not good looking. It's a little bit terrifying, actually. Okay, one player, level 1. I have a sinking suspicion that this game is probably better on other platforms, because this feels a lot like an Atari 2600 game. You get caught on walls, which is frustrating. But like, the bridge part is almost pointless. Because you just run, duck, jump, and then that's it. And then the dragon just kind of shoots randomly, really. Oh, jeez. You can hide in the doorway. But yeah, if you try to move diagonally at the top, you get stuck in the wall, which is not fun. What hit me? What the heck? Yeah, this is definitely going to be a... I'll have to check this out in the Colecovision or something. Because this is no better than an Atari 2600 game. Oh, there's random arrows shooting through. Fun. Oh, jeez. The guy runs like a maniac, but gets stuck on things really easily. Apparently the corner's fairly safe, maybe. Okay, well, the dragon shoots faster. You see how fast you die? Like, there's not even like a pause. Just like, oh, you died? Okay, you're back at the door. Oh, you're still pressing left? You just ran out and died again. Oh, you're still pressing left? You just ran out and died again. So yeah, that's Dragonfire for the Commodore. Yeah. Now I think back on it, this wasn't that good of a game when I played it, so we'll try it out on some different consoles and see if there's any better versions, I guess. But that'll be it for this part. Maybe we'll include the Colecovision in the same video, because this one's just so short. Well, here's the Coleco version. I should just call them Coleco versions. Here's the Colecovision version of Dragonfire, and already the graphics look cleaner to me. I don't know what I mean by that exactly. The colors are a little bit more vibrant. The Maiden's got better colors, like blue instead of green. So I wonder if the Colecovision had either more palette or able to handle more colors in one area. I'm going to have to look into this. I'm quite fascinated by this, because why was the Maiden green? I don't think there's any reason for that in the Commodore version. Alright, I can't remember how to actually start. Do I press F1? Nope. That's definitely not it. Okay, oh, do I press 1? What? Oh, one player, castle 1. Okay. Okay. There's actually some challenge here. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm getting murdered. So difficulty level's up. But doesn't feel quite as unfair. Like, at least... Okay, that felt a little unfair. At least it feels like I have, like, control over life. Oh my gosh! Holy moly. Okay. I am finished. Holy moly. I don't know why it's beeping. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I survived. Something more fluid about the movement, so that's nice. No, I don't trust you. Do not trust you. Now I'm curious what the original system was for this. Oh my gosh, I cannot figure out the timing. Oh! I cannot figure out the timing. Oh, and then if you jump into the wall, you die too. Okay. Oh. This is insane. Okay, and the top ones go faster. I made it. Okay. Difficulty level is bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. But the controls feel better, so it's weird. Like, I'm actually enjoying this more, even though I'm just getting murdered repeatedly. Nope, I don't like that. Okay. Oh, why did I do a weird vertical jump? Nope, don't like that one. There we go. Okay. Oh, ow. Yeah, and I don't get stuck on the top wall in this version, which is nice. Okay, I think this guy should take up a new job because stealing from dragons is not working out for him. I feel like eventually I could get decent at this game. Oh. Oh, he's actually aiming at me, isn't he? I don't know. I felt like he was aiming at me, but then I'm not sure. Oh, too slow. Okay, so the top ones go fast. Bottom ones go pretty slow. Oh! So duck the fast one, jump the slow one. Oh, and I did not time running across the bridge. Duck. Oh, wow. Okay. That art's finished again. Yep. For sure. I'm going to do one more round and then I have to get going. Get breakfast going for the kids. Oh, this is interesting though. No, don't like that one. So, fast one, slow one. Alright, see? Okay. Duck. Jump. Oh. So my dude's fast. So if I don't like how things are going, I can always retreat. There. I just realized he's sort of, obviously it's not true sprite scaling, but I just realized that that's kind of cool. He gets bigger when he gets towards the bottom of the screen. Oh, should have known better. Too slow. Alright, run. Bridge got me. Okay. This is no timer, huh? Oh my gosh. I don't understand that weird little vertical jump I've been doing. I really don't get that. Okay. I feel like I need to go back and like get better at this, but that was actually, I am blown away by the Colecovision being better than the Commodore every single time. Every time there's the same game, the Colecovision version, the Coleco version is better, just flat out better. Well, I don't know. I'm going to have to do some more research. I might add some more versions to this because I'm quite curious. Was there an arcade version, Atari? Like, where did this even start? So I want to keep looking, see what I can find out. Well, guys, back here again with another version of Dragonfire. As far as I can tell, the Atari 2600 version is the original version. So I'm going to give it a try, see if the gameplay here is better. It's actually been a week since I recorded the last two parts of this video, but I think, if I remember right, the Commodore 64 version was horribly disappointing in terms of gameplay, in that you couldn't even really like jump at the fireballs. And then the Coleco version, I'm starting using that term, Coleco version, I felt like it was better graphics, a little bit more playable, but I'm still wondering if there's a better version of the game, and it's the 2600 version because it was designed for the 2600. So, and it was popular enough to port like to 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 different systems. So I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to try to figure out how to start my Atari game. Is it this button? Oh boy. That's the, oh, jeez. Okay, Castle 1. Alright, what about this one? There we go. Alright. Oh, whoa. Oh, wow. Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh, that dragon. Holy moly. Oh. Oh. Of course, well, hi. My Devin's just meowing at me like he likes to do. Hi, what do you want? I fed you? What else do you want? You want me to pick you up and put you in front of the camera? Oh, really? You do? I can do that. I'll be right back. Come here. says, oh, it's been a while since I've been on a video. It's been a while since I've been on a video. Yeah. Okay, can I play the game? Yeah? Okay. Okay. So, initial review. The bridge crossing part is much more playable. The dragon part is crazy because he's like a rapid fire machine gunning me to death. So, let's try this again. Ooh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, jeez. Oh. That was pretty good animation, actually. That was fun. Oh, oh, jeez. How? I swear he double killed me. Okay. Oh, oh, I didn't realize I had a life left. Jeez. The question remains now, am I just really bad at this game? I love that death animation. It's just like... Oh. Oh, man. Just like... Ah! What the heck? Oh my god. Okay, let's try this again. Seriously, anybody watching this, like, am I just really bad at this? Or, like, was this game just insane? Like... Oh my gosh. Were you supposed to use a paddle on this one? There's something I'm missing. Because this is insane. Okay, and then the door opens once. Oh my gosh. That's insane. But like, the dragon is so fast. Is this really what it played like? And then there's like the door to hide in, but like, it's just as dangerous coming out of that door. Oh my gosh. Oh. I can't get this dang treasure. Oh. 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 I love that animation. Oh. What? Alright. Oh. I got to level 3 though, that was pretty fun. Okay, I almost want... Now I need to go back and play the other ones, just like back to back, just to feel the difference. Oh! In the face. Yeah, I don't think so. There's no reason to hide in the door, though. Like, it's just as dangerous coming out of that door. And look at that! He killed me in the door. I think I just realized something. So he can kill you in the door, but he just doesn't normally shoot at the door? I think. Okay, yeah, okay, well I get to the 3rd level. That was insane. I seriously want to go back and play the other 2 now though, so I think I'll do that real quick. Alright guys, back here again with Dragonfire. I did go back and play the Commodore 64 and Coleco versions. I didn't add anything of value to my understanding of those games, but as I was editing this video, I realized that I had put Dragonfire for the Atari on the hardest difficulty setting, and then I was confused why I kept getting murdered. So let's play it on the easy mode so you can see how you would begin to play this game. I still died because I'm dumb, but... Oh look, the dragon's not shooting machine gun rapid fire. The game is actually playable. Oh! So yeah, I just started playing the easy mode for the first time, but honestly, this is the most enjoyable version of the game. So the Atari version is the best in my opinion. Coleco version is okay. I think I could have done better. And then this one is the one that, who cares about graphics? We got solid gameplay. And honestly, the death animation, I love it. The guy just like does his like spinning cartwheel through the air when he gets blasted by a fireball. And then he's like this kind of peasant quest reject looking guy too, so it's just perfect. Ooh. I'm curious if the guy with the arrows ever appears. This guy's fast. Okay, see now the dragon is getting up to speed, and that's more reasonable. Okay, and then this is, oh geez, this is more like the level, oh geez. This is more like the level where I started playing last time. I just trip and die. Okay, so that's a lot more playable, and then the difficulty scales up, whereas I had accidentally set it on the hardest mode and then wondered why I was getting murdered. So I just wanted to set the record straight before I publish this video that this game is, the first couple of levels are playable, but the difficulty ramps up as you go. Alright, well, it's been enjoyable. I actually somewhat enjoy this version of the game, so Commodore version, not great. Coleco version, meh. So I'd stick to the Atari version on this one, guys. Alright, run. Bridge got me. Okay. This is no timer, huh? Oh my gosh.